What's the meaning of broadband? Broadband. Broadband.
Broadband. Broadband. Broadband refers to a high-speed internet connection that has the ability to transmit large amounts of data at a faster rate than traditional dial-up connections. The term broadband is often used to describe technologies such as cable, DSL, and fiber optic, which provide high-speed internet access to homes, businesses, and institutions. The benefits of broadband include faster download and upload speeds, smoother video streaming, higher quality voice and video calls, and the ability to support multiple devices at once without losing speed or quality. It has become an essential tool for communication, entertainment, education, and work in the modern digital age.